Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and here's a neat little trick to make an object appear that it goes behind the other object. So I just drew a yellow box with an outline. I'm going to draw an ellipse. I'm going to move my old one out of the way. And this is really only for printers, because this would only help you. It's not going to help my engraving people. But let's make this line like a ½ inch. Now, take the yellow box and go up to Object and convert it to a curve. Make a duplicate of the box by hitting the plus key on the keyboard. Take the nodes and just lift it up and then holding down the control button and move it there. Grab that one and go up to Object, Order, Front of Page, and it appears that the red line is going around this object. Pretty cool for, an easy way to do it. I mean, there's a lot of other ways to do it. The way I would have done it before would just be have the object and you could left click and right click your object and then take your virtual segment delete key and delete that part of the line. And then just take your smart fill tool. Let's use yellow. Make it look better. Use your smart fill tool on the, well, I guess it doesn't. Well, what we can do now is well, maybe the smart fill tool doesn't work. Maybe just take it and fill it with yellow. There we go. And then take away the outline. So it appears the same way, but this is kind of unique. You could do this with, something that even a photograph of a person and stick in there and do the exact same thing by making copies of that. And it's a trick, basically, because you're just covering up that red. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.